Hello everyone, Arnold here and welcome to my channel. So, I'm actually new to YouTube and this is gonna be the first video that I'll be uploading in my channel. So, what to expect? In this channel, I'll be focusing on two important things that I'm very passionate about. So first, it's gonna be food. I love to eat and I want to share with you guys how do I cook those food that I'm eating. The second is travel. We love traveling, and since we don't have any scheduled travel yet, so for today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to make your fried chicken tastier. Now if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, I can't really tell that I'm already an expert when it comes to cooking. I've been cooking for like 3-4 years now, and with that specific amount of time, I tried experimenting on how to make the outcome better. Most of us would just season our fried chicken with salt and pepper and then use some breading mix and then fry it right away. And I have tried that and I can't really achieve the taste that I want. So recently I have actually tried experimenting and I found a good way of making your fried chicken tastier. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, so let's start with our ingredients. So obviously we'll be using chicken. This time I'll be using chicken wings. I love using chicken wings for fried chicken because it cooks easily. It'll only take 10 to 15 minutes for it to cook because again the meat is thinner compared to chicken breast or chicken thighs. We'll be using calamansi. If you don't have any calamansi, you can use lemon. We'll be using around 5 cloves of garlic minced. I'll be using also dried rosemary leaves. So I love using spices for the things that I cook because it really makes a difference, not just in taste but also in the aroma. I'll be using some salt, just a little bit, and then pepper, soy sauce, and of course oil for frying. Now I've already cut my calamansi, so let's go ahead and prepare the marinade. So I actually love using plastic bags in marinating the chicken because it's resealable. So when you marinate your chicken, the smell will not go all over your fridge. So let me start. I'll just go ahead and place all of the chicken inside a plastic bag. It's kind of difficult because I'm using my other hand and holding the camera, but that's fine. Okay, so that's 12 pieces of chicken wings. Now let me just go ahead and put the calamansi right there. Okay, so we have all the calamansi into the chicken. That's fine if you'll have the seeds in there, that's totally fine. I'm gonna put also our minced garlic. And then we can put some soy sauce. So we'll be using around 5 to 7 tablespoons of soy sauce. So there, that should be enough. I'll just put a little salt because the fact that the soy sauce is very salty, so just a little bit. And then I'll be using, or I'll put some pepper Okay, so the pepper is in. Now let me put our dried rosemary leaves. Okay, so that should be enough. Alright, so you can, one thing or another thing that I love about using resealable plastic bags is that you can easily mix the chicken with the ingredients. You just have to reseal it and then do like that. Okay, so this will go into the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes. So let me just seal this. Alright, so our chicken is sealed. So let's put it inside the fridge. So again, minimum of 30 minutes. So but this one I'll be placing it for like 2 hours. There you go. See you later. Alright, so this thing has been in the fridge for almost 2 hours. And very important reminder, guys, you need to let this chicken rest for at least 15 minutes for it to go back to its room temperature, because if you will fry it right away, then the tendency is only the outside or the skin part will be cooked, the inside will be raw. So it's really important that you let it rest for 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes. Alright, so our chicken is there. It has been resting for several minutes already. And by the way, before I forget, so I'll be also using a bedding mix for this one. So this is what I'm using. Because I'm just lazy to create my own bedding mix. But if you have time, then feel free to create your own. Alright, so I was able to coat 6 chicken already. And I think our oil is already hot, so we really need to make sure that the oil is hot enough. So if you want to check, what I'm doing actually is I'm using this fish cracker, but if you don't have one, then you can just play it by ear. I think this is already hot enough. Yeah, there you go. So that means that it's ready for frying. Now let's go ahead and fry. Alright, so we are now frying. So I'm just doing doing it by batch, guys. So I'm doing 3 at a time because again, we don't want to overcrowd our pan. Alright, so guys, this is our finished product. Look at that. It's crunchy and I assure you it's definitely tasty. Now, don't be surprised, the color is a bit darker than the usual fried chicken because that's because of the soy sauce. Alright, so I will end my video here. I will also include the complete list of the ingredients in the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and click on subscribe because I'll be uploading more videos soon. Thanks, bye!